For the purposes of this lesson, I'm not going to go through all of these stages. My main focus here is to help you get up to date on Figma and using that and creating an AR, VR, MR app that you can play with. Okay, XR, UX processes and tooling. Keeping the design process in mind and using that from an XR perspective, you would still do some sketching and rapid prototyping, and then you can go into the more heavy UI type of stuff. For the sketching and rapid prototyping piece of it, we're using Figma. There's also prototyping on paper. um, That's super lightweight. They could really do anything with it. Adobe Aero is a new tool where you can create these 3D scenes for virtual reality environments, which is really cool. You can also use the Adobe Aero app on the phone, and unfortunately, they only have it in iOS right now. When it comes to designing an AR application, you could use Snap AR, which is by Snapchat, and you could create lenses, creating cool things like a filter or some sort of interaction, like drag a kite around. The next one is Microsoft Maquette. I haven't really tried that one myself. If you are getting very serious and you are not afraid of learning how to code, then you can move into more advanced AR, VR design platforms like Unity, Unreal Engine, and Masterpiece. The last column here has just 3D assets. If you want to create a new character on your own and render that, you can go and create your own. You can use Blender and Vectory. We actually have a plugin in Figma, which we can use today. Then ZBrush and Medium by Adobe as well. You could create your character or items, then you can import it to your projects. For what our purposes are today, we're going to be doing Figma and using Vectory 3D elements.